Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Dummies. So today we're going to learn future in Spanish. We're going to focus more on two types of future. One is I will and that is I'm going to, right? We use both of them. So let's see how we make this kind of sentence in Spanish. Let's go ahead. So first we're going to learn about the pure future tense. Pure future tense is like when will comes in the beginning. I will eat, I will dance, right? So how do we do that? So we achieve this by conjugating the original verb, right? Conjugation is something you know, right? So how we conjugate in future? It's very easy. We just write the verb as it is and we add some alphabet at the end, right? Like here. For the first, if you say I will eat, it's yo comeré. Yo comeré. The comer part is as it is, while e is added extra. That makes I will eat. So you can say that e that has been added, it's equal to will in Spanish. Okay. So here's the instruction how you do it. Okay. So when you say you will eat, tú comerás. Comerás. Okay. So as has been added in the original verb, and as is like you can say will. All right. He, she, you will eat. Él, ella, usted comerá. Comerá. Here again we add a here. We will eat. Nosotros comeremos. Right? EMOS. The underline has been added. Right? You all will eat. Vosotros comeréis. Perfect. Right is they and you all will eat. That's ellos, ustedes comerán. Comerán. Okay? So you just see how it has been conjugated. We just put the verb as it is and we just add some alphabets, and these are the alphabets that we need to add, right? The words we need to add to make future, and these are the rule that's applicable for all the verbs: AR ending verb, ER ending verb, IR ending verb. So you can put, if you'll put this endings in any of these verbs, you can make the future, right? So it's like you learn the future, you just now need to put this and you need to make sentence, right? All right. So let's go and see some practical situations. When you say I will dance, it's yo bailaré. Now here we have used different verb, that's AR ending verb, okay? See, it's ending with AR. Bailar means to dance. Now, but still the rule will be same. The earlier one here we used ER ending verb. You see comer, that means to eat, and we had this rule, right? EAS. The same rule is applicable here as well. So we put E. Bailare, I will dance, right? If you go here, it's comere. We put E and it becomes I will eat. When you say you will dance, you say tú bailarás. Okay, same ending we are putting here, just like in the ER ending verb. Here we put AS, similar. Now you know it. So he, she, you will dance. Él, ella, usted bailará. Okay, bailará, the same ending. We will dance. Nosotros bailaremos. Bailaremos. You all will dance. Vosotros bailaréis. Bailaréis. They, you all will dance. Ellos, ustedes bailarán. Okay? Bailarán. So by this conjugation, bailarán is for both they and you all. Now that's it. Alright. So let's make some practical sentence, right? Alright. So when you say, I will drink a cup of tea, you say, beberé una taza de té. Beberé una taza de té. The beberé means I will drink. Una taza, you know, taza is cup. De té. Té means tea. Now here in Spanish, we know that we don't need to put pronouns. It's not necessary. So I don't put here. Alright? Beberé itself means I will drink. Alright, when you say you will cook today, it's cocinarás hoy. Cocinarás hoy. You can say tú cocinarás hoy also, or just cocinarás hoy. This means you will cook. Alright? We don't put pronoun. He will dance with her. He will dance with her. Él bailará con ella. Okay? Here bailará means will dance for third person. Okay? Con her, ella. We will visit to Spain. Okay? So it'll be visitaremos. See, for the we need to put emos, right? The ending. If you will see here, back. See? We will. That's nosotros hemos. We put hemos ending for we. So we did same thing. Visitaremos a España. Will you all go to the party? Iréis a la fiesta. Here iréis means will you all go, okay? Iréis, if you'll see this conjugation, see, you all will eat. We put vosotros comeréis. Now here the ending stays the same, EIS. The same ending we put over here as well. EIS, see? Iréis. The verb to go is ir, right? Ir, and we wanted to make you all will go, right? So iréis. Adding the ending will add will automatically. A la fiesta. Alright, and pronoun is not necessary. They will cut the fruit. Ellos cortarán la fruta. Ellos cortarán la fruta. Right? Cortarán, again, cortar is a verb to cut, and an we added as a conjugation part. So an puts will here. Okay, I hope you understood this pattern, and it's very important. You can just see it. Now, what we're going to see the another future that is going to. I'm going to, you are going to. How do we achieve it in Spanish? So I have already said this lesson, all right? So if you want to go through it, you can, there's a link in the description below. You can go through it. I'm going to go a little fast in this, right? So firstly, if you want to say I'm going, you say yo voy. Okay, these all are voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van are the conjugation of ir verb. Ir means to go. Okay, we have conjugated this verb, and uh, first yo voy means I'm going, you are going is tú vas, he, she, you is ya are going would be él, ella, usted va, we are going vamos, you all are going vosotros vais, okay, van. So you just need to know that this thing means this thing. This thing means this thing. That's it. Okay. Now let's see how we practically use them. Alright. So here we have put a common verb that's dance for all of them, right? So when you say I'm going to dance, you just say yo voy a bailar, right? As we learned that I am going is voy, right? Here voy means I am going. So I put the same thing. Yo voy, a means to, bailar is dance, okay? And bailar is not conjugated because we don't conjugate the second verb. See, here is the rule. Ir, after the ir verb comes a, which means to, and infinitive. That's second verb without conjugation. Alright? So if you say you are going to dance, say tú vas a bailar. Tú vas a bailar. Here, if you see vas, you know vas means you are going to. That's what we learned here, right? Vas means you are going. So we just copied it. You are going, tú vas, and a is to, and dance is bailar. Easy. He, she, you is or are going to dance. So él, ella, usted va a bailar. Similar. Va means he, she is going to. We are going to dance, right? Now again, nosotros vamos a bailar. Because we learned that vamos means we are going, right? Here we go here. We are going. That's vamos. We just copied the same thing. Vamos. Tú is a, and bailar is dance. You all are going to dance. Vosotros vais a bailar. Same thing. Last is de. You all are going to dance. Ellos, ustedes van a bailar. Perfect. So we learn how to make this kind of sentence. Now we are going to compare both the future tense, okay? The pure future tense, that's I will, and the another future tense that I'm going to, right? We're going to compare them, how we do it in Spanish. So here I have not put the pronoun, okay, in most of the situations because it's not necessary. So if you say I will cook, that's cocinaré. It's either yo cocinaré or just you can say cocinaré, okay? I will cook. Cocinar is the verb to cook, and e we put, that was the rule for I will, right? Cocinaré. That makes cocinaré, I will. Now, if you say I'm going to cook, now that's also future, right? So I'm going to cook. Voy a cocinar. Voy a cocinar. Voy means I'm going. You know, and cocinar is cook. See the difference? Here we just, you know, change the verb. But here we put the verb as it is, right? That's cool. Now, will you study in Spain? Say, estudiarás en España. Okay? Estudiarás means will you study. Okay? España is Spain. Now, if you say, are you going to study in Spain? That's another way to say the same thing, right? So, are you going to or you are going to? They are same thing. So, vas. You remember vas was, are you going to? Vas a estudiar is study en España. Now if you see here, the same verb estudiar, we conjugated it here, but in the here we don't do that. It's because it's a second verb, so we keep as it is. She will learn Spanish. She will learn Spanish. Ella aprenderá español. Okay? Ella aprenderá español. But if you say she is going to learn Spanish, ella va a aprender español. Okay? Perfect. Now we will play. Jugaremos. Okay? Jugar is the verb to play. Hemos we put, because it's a future, to make it future we need to put this. But if you say we are going to play, that's vamos a jugar. Okay? Vamos is we are going. A and jugar is verb. Second verb, we don't conjugate it, right? The difference is that in the first we conjugated the jugar verb. That's why there is some ending here, hemos extra. But here we don't do that because already the first verb is vamos and we don't conjugate the second. Will you all pay? Pay like pay money. Pagaréis. Okay, pagaréis. And if you say, are you all going to pay? Vais a pagar. They are the part of vosotros, right? I didn't put it, but it said, vais a pagar. They will watch the movie. Ellos verán la película. Okay, verán is they will watch. They are going to watch the movie. Now there's ellos van a ver la película. Ellos van a ver película. Van is they are going, right? Ver is to watch and película is movie. So this is the way how we make two types of future in Spanish. I hope it was helpful. Keep using it practically.